If you think programming is about solving complex mathematical equations, your idea is mistaken. Programming is fundamentally about logic and clarity, not high-level calculation. So, if it's not math, why do our programs often fail? The answer lies in one key concept: detailed instruction. In this video, we will define programming, and I will show you exactly how to translate your everyday logical thinking into computer-understandable instructions. Welcome to the very first lesson of the course, C Programming for Beginners. What exactly is programming? Simply put, it is the process of writing a set of instructions for the computer to perform a specific task. Your main goal is to translate your logic or your problem-solving approach into instructions or the specific steps for the machine. We'll use a real-world scenario to highlight this difference, helping you grasp this foundational concept. Imagine giving an order to a coffee robot. Your logic might be, "Make me a great cup of coffee." If you say that, the robot fails. It needs instructions. Step 1, add 10 grams of coffee. Step 2, heat water to 90 degrees Celsius. Step 3, pour 150 milliliters of water over the grounds. Programming is the act of converting that vague logic into a sequential and unambiguous instruction set. The computer is the most honest executor in the world. It will never assume or correct your logical mistake. If you instruct it to add 10 grams of sugar and 100 grams of salt to the coffee, it will do exactly that. In code, this means if you write x equals 5, y equals x plus 1, the machine executes those two commands. It will not automatically change plus to just because you intended a smaller result. The programmer's job is to ensure that the human logic matches the computer's instructions 100%. To summarize, programming is translating logic into detailed instructions. The only skill you need is to break down problems into sequential steps. But there's a problem. Human language is different from computer language, binary zeros and ones. So, how do we get these instructions understood by the machine? Click on the next video on your screen right now for Lesson 1.02. The role of code. High-level versus machine code. If the video exists.